Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well today. It's February, 2023 is definitely in full swing and yeah, hello. So I wanted to do a nice relaxing monthly reset today, and there's not going to be anything extreme. I've just got some cleaning, tidying to do. I want to get the house nice and fresh, just ready for a new month. I've also got some new home decor pieces that I want to put out, so I'm going to show you those as well. And yeah, just a relaxing monthly refresh sort of day in the life kind of video. So I really hope that you enjoy this one. Please do go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Leave this one a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. So this is what the front room is looking like, and it's pretty drab. I've got all of the jumpers drying up there, and to be honest they are pretty much dry, so I think I'm going to go ahead and just finish the front room and the kitchen, and then hopefully by then all of this is ready to go away. So I did manage to do all the washing, like fold it, get it all ready. I just didn't manage to actually get it put away, so that needs to go upstairs. And yeah, just a quick tidy. I know it looks like a hot mess, but it honestly won't take me long at all to just whiz around and give it a good tidy, give it a good freshen up, and then we can come into the kitchen, which again, a little bit of a hot mess, but really won't take me that long at all to get through it. I still have a whole laundry basket there that I need to like sort out, but at least it's not overflowing anymore. I think in my last video it was literally overflowing all over onto the floor, so I'm glad that it's actually fitting in there now. So hopefully we can get a few more wash loads done, but yeah, it's really not too bad. And then we can head upstairs and then we can head upstairs and I can show you some of the new home decor pieces that I've got. I went shopping a few days ago and I haven't touched any of it yet. I wanted to save it for today's video because I don't like decorating when the house is messy, so I thought I'll wait until I can really tidy, clean the house, get everything nice and fresh, and then I can put out a few new bits. But I'm trying to be a little bit more intentional with what I buy, so I didn't go crazy. I just got a few bits, and I got 2 lamps, which I'm over the moon about. I'm still looking for more lamps. I'm obsessed with lamps at the moment, and yeah, I just want to have a couple of lamps in like every room, so I'm keeping an eye out for some good decent lamps, and also some more vases and pots, because I don't think you can have enough vases. Yeah, I'm definitely on the hunt for some more of those, but yeah, I'm really happy with what I got, and I'm just gonna go ahead, tidy up and get everything nice and fresh, ready for a new month.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. And one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song.
So bringing this cabinet through from the hallway has been an absolute game changer. I love having a drink station / coffee bar, and yeah, it's just absolutely love it. I do want to go ahead and get a different lamp for behind there, and I'm also looking at getting some lights to go under here. I think that would be really cool, like in the evening, all lit up on the drinks. So yeah, I'm going to be keeping my eye out on Amazon for some just like battery operated like lights that can just stick to the top.
As they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song.
I actually love this so much. I do need to do something to hide the cord, and the little treadmill just lives behind here. So if I just push it out the way a little bit more so you can't see it poking out. But yeah, just need to do something about that wire. But I just love having everything there. It gives me so much more room now on the side. But I do want to go ahead and get a different lamp for there. I want to get more of like a rustic concrete looking one. But yeah, for now, that'll do. It's on a timer. It comes on when it gets dark. It does the job. But like I said before, I want to get lights under here, so that's all lit up as well. I think that would look super duper cute. Also still absolutely in love with this vase, and I'm thinking either in my next video or the one after my next one, I'm gonna do like a roundup of all of my favorite home decor pieces and how I style them in my home. So definitely subscribe if you want more styling home decor type of videos. I just love decorating. I just love everything home decor. So make sure you subscribe for that. It just gives me so much more space to work with out here. And yeah, I'm going to be doing something with that corner a little bit later on in today's video. So yeah, I love how everything's looking. Obviously that just has to stay there because I've got so much washing left to do. But I can now go ahead and put these bits away, have a good dust and hoover, and then just get it nice and fresh to start decorating. Okay, so it's now the next day. I wanted to wait until today to do the decorating part because it got a little bit grey and gloomy yesterday. So yeah, I wanted to just show it in natural light. I've got a fair few bits to show you, and I did just want to go through everything before decorating to just show you what I'm working with. I'll have as much of it as I can linked down below if you do want to check any of it out. But yeah, I'm really happy with the few bits that I've got. So let's just jump straight in and I'll show you the lamps. I'm obsessed with lamps. I'm pretty sure I already said yesterday I'm obsessed with lamps, and I love these too. So yeah, let's just show you what I've got and then we can start decorating. How pretty is this lamp? I love it. Like, I just think it's so pretty. It's like this gorgeous cream colour. I love the ribbed effect on the base, and also like the gold brass on the top and the bottom. I just think that's so pretty. Only thing is I forgot to pick up a light bulb for it, so that's really annoying. I'm gonna have to get one later. But I just love like the linen effect. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's like a linen lampshade, and I just think it's beautiful. Pretty sure this lamp is going to be staying in my dressing room, but I mean it'll go with my whole house, so no doubt it will get moved around. But for now I think it's going to be staying up here because I love it so much. So yeah, this is the first one. I got this from the range, and I'm not sure how much this was, so I'll have it linked down below. I think it was about £20, I do believe. I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, like I said, it will be in the description box. But how stunning is this? I absolutely love it. So the other lamp I got was this little white wooden one. I wanted one to go in the kitchen. I'm really hoping that it's not going to be too tall. But yeah, I just wanted like a basic white lamp that can be moved around the whole house because I move things around all the time. And this will just be perfect for any room. It's got the nice white lampshade, just a wooden base, and yeah, just very basic. I think this was £10 or £11. I think it was £11 from the range again. Yeah, they had so many when I went in there, but I just picked up the two. But I am definitely on the hunt for more. Okay, so next up is Dunelm, and how gorgeous are these vases? So this one was £5 and this one was £6, and obviously they are slightly different, but at the same time they have the same like pattern and texture and everything, and they just go really nice as a pair. But yeah, I just love like the speckled detail. and the cream colour, and just all of the details I love. It's definitely the colour that I'm going for at the moment, and I think this will go perfectly with the lamp. So again, I think these are going to be staying on my shelves up here, but we'll have to wait and see. Can you go to Dunelm and not get Pampers? I don't think you can. So this is £10, and I love Dunelm for Pampers and just their dried florals, greenery. They have so much. This was £10 for the whole bundle, and yeah, it's just so pretty, and it's not actually shedding that much, so it is a really good quality as well. So I just thought having one of these in this would look really cute, and then the rest can go in like a different vase. But yeah, I just thought the colouring of those two are perfect. So this was the last thing that I got from Dunelm. So this came yesterday. I wasn't actually expecting to have this for today's video, so I'm really glad that it turned up. But how gorgeous is this bowl? I absolutely love it. I love all of the markings on it, and yeah, I just love the colour. Love that it's like a stone. I just love everything about it. I don't know if I can say that enough. I really love this. It is actually a little bit smaller, but for the price it was an absolute bargain. I think it was like £8 or something like that, and yeah, absolutely stunning. To go in this, I also have loads of these stunning crystals, and I just love crystals. These ones, I wasn't expecting to get so many. So this is just the clear quartz. And on Amazon, I thought I was going to get like 4 or 5. I knew they were small, but from the picture, it looked like I was only going to get 4 or 5. And I've got like 12 or 13. They came with like a massive bundle. All of them really good quality. And if I just put them in the bowl to show you what it'll look like. I just think this is so pretty. Like, it's so simple, but having those crystals in the bowl, it just looks really pretty. So yeah, I think this is gonna have to go downstairs so I can actually see it, but then I'm gonna think that with all of it. So yeah, really not sure yet, but this is my next purchase from Amazon. I absolutely love. So these I didn't actually purchase. My mother-in-law loves crystals as well, and she kindly gave me these ones. Look how beautiful it is. I don't think like the camera really does it justice. You can't see like the rainbow in there. Like, it is just absolutely stunning. So I love these. I'm so grateful. If you're watching this, thank you so much. I love them to death, and yeah, I can't wait to style with these and actually use them. And yeah, I just again love crystals. And then the final thing I have is another crystal. This was a gift from Rob. He actually surprised me with this yesterday. It's the rose quartz, and I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So I think I do need to sort of give it a little bit of a wash. It's a bit dusty still, but look how beautiful that is. And I just think all of these like natural elements like all together just looks so beautiful. Let's try and figure out where I'm going to put it all, and let's get decorated. So this is what the dressing room is currently looking like, and I absolutely love it. I know that it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea. A lot of people like colour, but I just don't. I love neutral. I just find it really calming and relaxing. And yeah, there are still a few gaps here and there that I want to fill, but I don't just want to fill it up with junk just for the sake of filling it up. So I'm gonna leave it and just, you know, fill it as I go. But I just love this. I love this now, like this whole area, and those new vases do go perfectly with the lamps. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I just popped the bowl of crystals over here, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it so much. I do need to get a new dressing table, and Rob is probably going to kill me when I tell him we need a new dressing table. But I got fake tan all over it and it won't come off. So if you have any idea how to get fake tan off of furniture, I would love to hear it, because I don't want to have to buy new, but I mean, it's pretty ruined anyway, so I think I am going to look for a different dressing table to go there. Hopefully one with like glass on top so I can easily clean it. Still waiting to get rid of the rail, but hopefully that's going to go in the next few days, and then I can get a bench in here. But yeah, I just absolutely love it. So those are the bits that I've taken down. Ignore the rubbish, but yeah, those are the bits that I just don't really feel that I want to put in this room. And again, I don't just want to clutter it. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I really need to change the lampshade out as well, because that doesn't go with my current style. But yeah, I love it. Okay, so now we can head downstairs and carry on decorating down there. So this little corner took me so long and it still looks like a hot mess. I have no idea what I'm doing. I thought I had an idea in my head, and yeah, it just didn't really come to fruition. And I've got the chopping boards there just to hide the plug socket and all the wires, because I really don't want to see wires. But yeah, it just looks like a hot mess. But I do love having the lamp there, because when I come out here, I love having that little glow. I don't know, I think it's really pretty, but I need to change it up. So if you have any ideas on what I could do, please let me know down below. And then in this corner, I just added that vase that I got from Asda and a candle that I was gifted at Christmas. And yeah, I love that vase so much. So I'm trying to keep it simple, but this is just too much. Like, I want it to be all in the corner, but the plug socket is in a really awkward place. So yeah, let me know if you have any suggestions for that. And then I added some more pampas in my vase there. I didn't film that because it already had pampas in. It's nothing new, but the stuff that I got from Dunelm is a lot like taller. My other stuff was sort of here, so I just think it's a little bit more dramatic, and I love that. And then coming through, I love my crystals. I don't know how many times I'm going to say love in today's video, but I do. I love them so much, and they go really well with my marble coasters. So yeah, this is really nice. I just ended up taking the black like vasey bowl thing out of there, and I added a candle instead. And yeah, I just think this is really, really nice. Just understated. I think I've had like a big vase on there for a long time, so it's nice to just downsize and have it smaller. I still need to figure out what can go there, because that is bugging me. So there is still lots of decorating still to come on my channel, because I'm not happy with how things are at the moment, and I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of home styling in the next few months. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope that you've enjoyed this one. I love sharing home decor with you guys. It's honestly my favourite thing, and I would love for you to stick around by clicking the red subscribe button down below. It's totally free and it just supports my channel when you do that. Also, leave today's video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys back here in the next one.